the roaring skies of Europe. Age's shadow cuts through the clouds. It's sleek. It's lethal. It's the Eurofighter Typhoon. Europe's answer to the modern battlefield. And today, you're about to witness its raw power, unleashed at takeoff. Every mission starts with a heartbeat. And for the Typhoon, that heartbeat roars at Mach speed. Twin Eurojet EJ200 engines, each capable of 20,000 pounds of thrust, igniting the runway into flames. This is not just a fighter jet. This is a war machine, engineered for dominance. And then, it happens. With afterburners blazing, the Typhoon surges forward, clawing at the air, tearing free from Earth. In seconds, it climbs almost vertically, disappearing into the clouds. But the Typhoon's real power isn't just in its speed, it's in its agility, its precision, and its ability to own the skies. Equipped with state-of-the-art radar, beyond visual range missiles, and close combat weapons, it's a nightmare for any opponent. From air superiority to ground strikes, from intercept missions to electronic fate, warfare, the Typhoon adapts to every threat. In NATO operations, it's the spearhead, striking fast, hitting hard, and vanishing before the enemy knows what happened. Born from the combined might of Germany, the UK, Italy, and Spain, the Typhoon is more than a fighter jet. It's a symbol of European defense unity, and a warning to anyone daring to challenge it. Today, you've seen the Typhoon rise. You've heard its roar, felt its power, but this is just the beginning, because every time the Typhoon takes off, somewhere the balance of power shifts. If you love military aviation and want more jaw-dropping moments from the world's most advanced war machines, subscribe now and join us on our next mission.